Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you a process for how you can create a group on your Messenger. Now then, first of all, open your Messenger application. Now once you're at the Messenger home page, you need to tap on the pen icon on the top right corner. Now there you will have the option of creating a new group. There you can see the option create a new group. You tap on it. Now once you tap on that, you will have the option of choosing the person or the contact that you want in that group. So here I'm just gonna tap on 2 or 3 contacts. Once you have chosen the contacts, you need to tap on next and you need to provide the group chat name. So here you type in the name, then tap on create, and just with that you have created yourself a new group. Hope this video was useful on how you can create a new group on Messenger. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.